Do you often wake up with sore jaw, headaches, or tooth pain? You might be grinding or clenching. This is known as bruxism. Bruxism affects about 15% of adults and can lead to chronic discomfort, including jaw pain and even headaches. It can even result in damage to your teeth, causing them to break or chip. That's where a night guard comes in. These custom-made acrylic appliances are hard acrylic that will protect your teeth and help break that cycle of grinding and clenching to prevent further damage.